Hey Arusaks, thanks for stopping by, and I wanted to bring you guys today this look that I created for St. Patrick's Day. I think it's really nice. It's something you can wear, you don't have to just wear it to go out at night. You can wear it throughout the day. It definitely has a lot of greens and a little bit of gold added to it just to give it that little touch. In collaboration with Tanya Owens. She is amazing, so make sure you guys go subscribe to her channel. I'll make sure to link her information down below in the description area. And then also, if you would like to see, this is what her channel looks like. I'm going to insert it right here to the side. She is awesome. She has new videos every week, so make sure you go subscribe and give her some love. All right, and she also created another St. Patrick's Day look. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, like, and then comment and let me know what you think of this video. And also, do you have any plans for St. Patrick's Day? Let me know. I haven't figured out what I'm gonna do yet, but maybe you guys can give me some suggestions. All right, let's roll the footage. So St. Patrick's Day is coming up and we have to come up with a look. But before we start working on the eyes, let's go ahead and get the hair out of my face. That's kind of my thing to do. And I got some cute little St. Patrick's Day ears. I got these while I was in Vegas. So let's see what we can come up with. First, I'm gonna put some powder underneath my eyes because I already have my foundation and bronzer and blush, kind of prime my face. I did all my face work already except for the highlighter. So let's kind of bake, I would say, but more to protect underneath my eyes. So in case there is any fallout with the colors that we're gonna use. So let's do that. I'm gonna use the Coty Airspun. So adding powder underneath your eyes is a good way for protecting your makeup. I add this powder underneath, especially when I'm working with heavier colors, just to try and prevent or minimize the amount of fallout that can go on my face. And I'm going to use my MAC Soft Ochre. Sorry, excuse the pen mark. I had ink run all over my finger. But let's go ahead and apply this. I do it with my finger. If you have a brush, you could do it with a brush, but my finger will work just fine. Okay, so now that I've primed it, I definitely want to set that, probably with like a bone color. I like to use more of like a neutral color to set everything, and I think that helps with the blending process of any eyeshadow makeup. I always do that whenever I am priming my lids. I'm going to go in this Morphe Kathleen Lights. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this bone color right on my lids, on top of the MAC paint pot that I just applied. I'm just dabbing it or kind of like rubbing it over. You're just kind of more using it as like a setting powder. Now let's go ahead and put a transition color in my crease. And I'm going to use my Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I love this palette. I think it's really pretty. The colors are beautiful, and I love that it has a good variety of transition shades. Let's go ahead and use Orange Soda, that color right there. I'm just buffing it in. I'm buffing the color up towards the brow bone, kind of like capturing a big area of my lid. Since it is a lighter color, it's okay. And then I'm also bringing it underneath the eye as well, since it is kind of like a lighter color. And I'm going to use the burnt orange color, which is that color right there. And we just kind of run it underneath as well. I like to mimic whatever I have on the top with the bottom, and I'm just blending it away. All right, so let's start with the fun colors. Let's get some green on my lids. So for my first color on my lid, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Urban Decay Electric palette. And I'm gonna go ahead and use this green shade right there, which is the color Freak. I'm starting from the inner and going outward. And I'm running the color right underneath, right where my crease would be, but like right underneath. I'm going to do the same to the other side. And because I'm gonna kind of mimic underneath my eyes too, I just added a little bit, trying to get it as close to the to my waterline as possible. So one thing to keep in mind is you don't have to use every shade that I'm using. You can use colors that are similar to a lot of these colors I've had and accumulated over time, and you know, palettes have similar colors sometimes, so just have fun with it and use different colors of greens. But I'm referencing these items just for you to know what colors they are, and maybe you have another shade in your collection that's similar to the color. So the next shade I'm going to use is this MAC green. It's a little bit darker than the greens I've been using, and it's in the color Humid. And we're going to use that kind of like on the outer edge to kind of define the edge. I'm like bringing the color out. I'm definitely gonna blend it out a little bit later, but I'm just kind of patting the color in towards the edge and kind of framing the area that I want the shadow to be in. Let's go ahead and blend that out so I can smooth that transition line. To blend it out, I'm going to use this Morphe brush, the E22, and I'm going to go back into my Soft Glam palette just to kind of use that color that I used, the orange soda earlier, so I can kind of blend it in with that. So I kind of blended that out a little bit. I know I took it down, but I want it to look really blended. I don't want it to really see that, like, that strong mark or that strong line. I'm just gonna go into that Swimming color by MAC, the green one, and we're gonna put that underneath. I'm gonna bring it out kind of like I'm winging it kind of with the shadow. So now we got our greens kind of situated, so now I'm going to want to add a little bit of gold in there too. So I figured I have this NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner. It's really pretty gold. So I'm going to see if I use this as my liner on top of my lid. Kind of like that. So I'm just going to do that to the other side really quick. That added a little bit of sparkle to my lids. So I'm going to line my waterline. I was originally going to use more of like a lighter green, but because I do have a lot of light colors, let's go ahead and use a dark green. And I'm going to use this Jordana Easy Liner for Eyes. And it's in the color Sea Green. So now that that's done, I'm going to wipe off this powder that's on my face. There we go. And now let's use the highlight, because I want to highlight my inner corner. Highlight the inner corner. I'm going to use the Amrezy highlighter. I'm just going to line the inner corner. I'm going to also highlight my brow bone. Before I put my mascara on, I kind of want to set my face, so I'm going to use my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Mist my face away. Now I'm just going to wipe off because I have some shadow on my eyebrows, so I'm just going to wipe that off really quick. If you I don't usually do my eyebrows, so I'm able to wipe it, but if you do your eyebrows before your eye look, make sure you don't wipe off what you did on your eyebrows. I'm just using a makeup wipe. I'm just kind of quickly cleaning this. And I'm going to use the Lancome Monsieur Big. I have this little deluxe sample size, so I figured let's have some fun with it. And just side note, I can't use falsies. I may try, but I get a really bad reaction to the glue, and I tried, I think, 2 different kinds of glue, and my eyes end up turning like really red, and it gets really dry for like 2 weeks, and it's like really, really, really bad. So I just avoid wearing any sort of falsies, so I have to make do with mascara. Alright, so I put mascara on. Now let's take my clovers off. They're so cute. Love these. Like, my hair is all messed up now. Alright. So, this is the final look. I think it's really pretty. It's pretty simple, easy to do, and anybody could do it. And it's just a few different colors of green, a little bit of gold, and the transition shades. So it's pretty cool. I like it, and it's something that you could wear even to work. You could wear out at night. I wouldn't have a problem wearing this during the daytime. Alright, Arusaks, thank you for watching. I hope you like this look. Hey guys, so I realized I forgot to put lipstick on, so let's go ahead and do that really quick. So I think I'm going to go with just a neutral color. There is a lot going on right now on my eyes, so I just don't want my lip to kind of take away from that. If I had green, I totally would do a green lip just for the video, but let's go ahead and just find some kind of a neutral tone. So I use the color Frickin' Frack by ColourPop, and I'm just going to add a little bit of like a lighter gloss over it. I'm going to use the Buxom lip cream, or lip polish, I'm sorry, in the color Sandy. So that completes my look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Let me know if you guys end up creating any looks for St. Patrick's Day, or if you end up trying to recreate this look. That would be kind of cool too. Or even if it inspired you to do some sort of look similar. But yeah, let's have fun with makeup. Remember, there's no rules. You don't have to use what I use. Use what you want, have fun with it. You gotta enjoy makeup because it's where you unleash your creativity, and that's what matters. Alright guys, I love you guys lots. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye! Bye! See a look I created inspired for Thanksgiving. It's not Thanksgiving! What the heck? I'm hungry. Oh, no! I dropped it.